Hello there! Today we are going to make birds. So let's see what are the steps in the book. We see multiple steps right here. And now let's start making these birds on the right side. We will start with the first bird, which is a parrot. Let's start with its beak and try and make it bigger this time. Make the curved line for the face and then go ahead with its body. Make a very big curved line for the tail and then make the bottom curved line and join it together. Let's make this wing nicely and then overlap it with another wing. And then let's erase the part which is overlapped. This looks very interesting. Give it a few details now. Well, yes, more details are going to come in when we start coloring this. Make this and then make the branch with two cute leaves. Well, this is done and let's go ahead with the next bird. We will start by making the eagle's face and then make its big wing. After which, we are going to make the back part and then the leg. Let's make the other majestic wing. And then make the eyes. That's very interesting. Go ahead by making the feathers. Slowly and nicely. Make the tail and then its claws. That's lovely. Finally, let's make our last bird. Go ahead by making the beak and then its body. Make beautiful curved lines for its body and the wing. Complete the entire bird slowly and nicely. Again, we will not give it intricate details when we are drawing it. We will give the details when we are coloring it. Let's try something different today. We are going to take a green colored sketch pen and start sketching this. This looks very interesting. Go ahead by making the wing. Make beautiful feathers. And then start coloring this. Well, yes, we are going to take a dark green color, pencil color at first, and then start by coloring this part. After which, we will slowly and lightly start coloring these parts. Let's take an olive green color and color these parts. Shade it slowly and beautifully. And after that, let's take a light green color and complete the coloring in the entire body section. This looks very interesting. Make the beak and the eye with the help of a red sketch pen. And after that, make the neck part with the help of a brown color pencil. Color this part slowly and nicely. That's brilliant. Now we will start with the eagle's body with the help of a brown sketch pen. Make the wings slowly and nicely. And after that, complete the entire bird in a similar way. But wait, you do not have to do the beak with this color. We will be using a yellow color for this one. And now, let's make the eyes nicely. That's amazing. Let's erase all the pencil marks we see. And then start by coloring this with the help of a dark brown color. One section of the wing is going to be darker and the other one is going to be lighter. Here, let's make the tip a little darker and then start by giving it a highlight of a dark brown color. Use beige color here too. And now, let's do the same thing on the other wing. Color this slowly and nicely. And then use beige or ochre color for this part. And now let's use a light brown color for the entire body. Yes, do this slowly and nicely. And try doing it only in one direction. Use yellow for the beak and the claws as well. Let's do the outline with orange color. That's lovely. Now we will move on to the next bird. At first, we are going to give it a very light blue highlight. And then start by doing Persian blue near the wing. After which, we will start by making these beautiful feathers. This is lovely. Go ahead by making the top part near the head with curved lines. And then let's use red color for the claws and the bottom part of the body. Blend it with orange and ochre color. This looks very interesting. Color these parts with blue and then use brown color for the beak. This looks very interesting. We will also use brown color for the branch. And look at that, the birds are ready.